Hey everyone, today I want to share a very useful tip with you in kind of navigating through pivot tables. It's very useful, very simple, but wanted to show you this. So what happens a lot of times with pivot tables is your data or your values will be sorted, whether chronologically, which is kind of what we have here, going by months of the year, or alphabetical, depending on whatever the row data is. But let's say you see this, and let's say we were wanting to identify what months had the most sales. How would you go about doing that? It's very, very simple. All you have to do is right click in the column here where that data is that you want to sort. If you click on the title there or the header, it won't work. You have to click in the column. You have to click on sort. And then from there, you're able to look at the smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So we're able to go through and look at, okay, which months had the fewest views. So we know that that's March. Let's say we wanted to sort it from largest to smallest, and it will do the opposite. So we're able to see which months had the most views. So we can see January, December, and November are our most popular months. And so we can easily see that. It's very quick, very easy to do. But let's say now that our data is kind of all messed up, we want to go back and look at the data chronologically, a month over month. What we can do is just do the exact same thing in that row column. You just right click there, click on sort, and you can do oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So oldest to newest is going to put you so that it's January, February, March, and so on and so forth. And again, that kind of puts our data back to where it needs to be. But essentially very can be very useful when you're trying to look through large data sets and identify, top offenders perhaps, or top sales or whatnot. So again, very useful. I hope you found this useful. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.